What's up guys, back with another 2-Minute Tuesday, and this time it's a video for any car that has a handbrake and rear-wheel drive.
Yep, so we're gonna teach you how to flex on your girl on the first date, or your mom, or whatever.
Or your homie.
Yeah, how to park in a parking spot by using the handbrake. This might take a couple tries to get right, but we'll be showing you.
We're only going to show you the first time, so first try.
Yep.
So, here, find yourself a good Mexican lot. Check. Then find yourself a bunch of space, or if you're cracked at it, eventually you don't need a bunch of space.
Yeah.
But for these purposes, we have a bunch of spots here, and they actually painted all the lines here for us.
You can see that I just did it right here, actually. I like ripped it up off the ground.
Alright, so this is how you do it, how you perform the task.
So basically, whenever you pull the handbrake while moving to slide, you want to make sure that the clutch is pressed in, otherwise you'll stall the car. And also, you want to like jerk it like really fast, because if you just like pull it slowly.
Can you do that movement again?
Yeah, you gotta like pull it like quickly, like because if you, especially if you're using a stock handbrake, which like you're probably doing, when you pull it slowly, it's just gonna make a squealing sound and not lock up. You need to like jerk it open.
Yeah, this test will also show if your e-brake actually works.
Yeah, my Beamer doesn't work, but this car does work.
Yeah.
Got that style.
We got an STI. As he is equipping his gear, some rando just pulled in over here with a Honda Odyssey. I mean, not Honda Odyssey, Honda Accord. But yeah, here we go. He's about to close the door, and we're going to transfer you to that guy. POV in 3, 2, 1.
All right, so we've teleported into the whip. I'm gonna stick my key in and turn it. I'm also gonna put on my seatbelt because safety first at all times. I'm gonna jiggle this as well.
So he's there. I don't know what he's saying. He's just jiggling a stick, but he's gonna pull around here, slided it right here perfectly. So here we go.
Yeah, now that you're back to me. So this is the handbrake. So I'm gonna be yanking it like quickly like that. This is what I mean. And you want some speed so that, like, not too much, but just a little bit, so you can actually like be able to slide. So let's say your fellow man is parked here. I'm about to just like that, we're in.
All right, here we go. Take 4, but really take 1. He's about to slide it in. 3, 2. Perfect. And just like that, yeah, as he was saying, as you can see, there's a bunch of lines here. So that wasn't us though. This is us. This one's right here. And we're like basically in the parking spot. It's like how any Karen / Beamer parks, so I think it's valid.
It's facts. I mean,
you're I'm
like pretty much in the, nah, I'm like slightly over.
I give you like a B+, but it doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
So hopefully y'all learned something with that.
Yeah.
That one's actually pretty cool. So
make sure you go out and try this in Assetto Corsa AI generated. Don't do it in real life.
In Mexico as well. Yeah. Either of those 3 work. Oh, focus.
But yeah, I don't want to have you crash your mom's car, but if you have your own car and you have a safe place to do it, then go for it, I guess.
Fact. Sometimes a gravelly surface or even a wet surface is even better for your tires.
Yeah, it works way better that way.
So with that, we'll see you in the next. That wasn't really into the parking spot. All right, take 2 / take 1. Here's first try times 3. And just like that, I think he's in a spot.
Clutch. That almost worked.